Hello dear children, this week is for your favorite activity, craft activity. Today we are going to do one craft activity. The name of the activity is Fun with Cut and Fold. Fun with Cut and Fold. For this activity, children, you need A4 size paper, scale, pencil and colors and cutter and scissors. When you are using cutter and scissors, please be careful. First children, I am going to fold this A4 size paper in the middle and then I will cut it in two equal parts with cutter or scissor. You can use anything. Now our next thing is we are going to make 10 centimeter by 7 centimeters rectangle, 3 rectangle. So children, now I am ready with half A4 size paper, even 10 centimeter by 7 centimeter, 3 papers. Now children, we are going to fold this paper. First we are going to fold in the middle. When we are doing any type of craft, when we are folding it, that time give pressure properly on the paper with your fingertip or with your nails. Okay. After this plus sign, I am going to keep this end on middle and going to fold again. Same from this side, edge in the middle and fold properly. Okay, now after folding this, once again I am going to keep this edge on center and fold it properly. Same we will do from another side. Okay, now we are going to open it. I will point these 4 points with the pencil and then I will draw a diagonals. Okay children, I think this much you all understood. Then which 3 papers are there? Rectangular paper. We are going to paint, draw anything on it. I am ready with it. I drew 3 sceneries on it. I think we learnt scenery this year. So first I am going to keep it here and I am going to paste it down. Okay, now I pasted it. Now I am going to cut on this diagonal line. Okay, I think you all know where we drew the diagonal line. There we are going to cut it. Children, once again I am telling you, when you are using scissors or cutters, please take help from your parents or be careful. Okay children, now we are going to fold like this and how we will fold like this. Okay, and this another picture, I am going to paste it over here. Okay, after pasting we need scissors and from middle we are going to cut it. After cutting this, once again we are going to fold from this side. Okay, and then we are going to paste this picture over here. After pasting this, again we are going to cut. Where is a paper cut? Like this. So now our craft is ready. Now see the fun with cut and fold. We made more crafts for you all. Is related to coronavirus. Use mask. Wash your hands and maintain distance. Yes. In this, I did not paste any paper on it. Directly I drew picture on half A4 size paper. It's a first. Second. And it's a third one. So children, I know that you enjoyed this activity. You can do many more crafts with the help of these techniques.